Question 28. Suppose that n is 100, alpha is 0.05, and that we want to test whether the population mean is equal to 20 versus the alternative that is not equal to 20. The sample mean is found to be 18 and the sample standard deviation is 10. Compute the test statistic for this test. Okay, well, I need to figure out, do I need to use a z-score or do I need to use a t-score since we're looking for the mean? And it says that the sample standard deviation is 10, so it didn't give me the population standard deviation. So that means that sigma, or the population standard deviation, is unknown. And since sigma is unknown, that means I need to use a t-score. Okay, from my formula sheet, here's my test statistics. Z-score, which I'm not going to be using since I don't know what sigma is. We're going to be using this t-score since we don't know what sigma is. Okay, so we're going to be using this formula right here. Okay, we're told that the sample mean is 18. We were also told that the sample standard deviation is 10. And that we were looking at 100 people. Okay. Now mu, that is that's parameter that we're kind of testing here. Okay, so it said that, let's go back to the question. We want to test whether the population mean, which is mu, is equal to 20 versus the alternative that is not equal to 20. So let's write that information down too. Okay, so the original claim that is mu is equal to 20, and the opposite claim is mu is not equal to 20. Okay, so let's get the null, which always has the equal sign, and the alternative, which never has the equal sign. Okay, so mu here should be 20. That's what I'm testing. Okay, so let's plug those numbers in. So we've got 18 minus 20, 10 divided by the square root of 100. We'll get rid of this. Okay, so 18 minus 20, 10 divided by the square root of 10 is 10. Okay, 10 divided by 10 is 1. So this is really just 18 minus 2. That gives me a negative 2. Okay, now, should that be your only answer? Well, what kind of tail test are we in? Is it a left, a right, or a two-tail test? Well, you always have to look at your alternative hypothesis. Now notice it's a non-equal sign, so this is a two-tailed test, which means I should have a positive and a negative 2 for my final answer.